Ang English lesson natin today ay tungkol sa indefinite pronouns na somebody at someone. Somebody and someone are both used to refer to a person whose identity is unknown or unspecified. Ibig sabihin, ginagamit ito pag hindi mo kilala o hindi mo alam ang pangalan ng taong binabanggit sa sentence. Walang direktang translation sa Tagalog ang somebody at someone, kaya ang ginagamit natin ay may at mayroon o meron na short form ng may isang tao o merong isang tao. Interchangeable o pwedeng pagpalitin ng somebody at someone kasi pareho naman ang meaning nila. Ang konting pagkakaiba nga lang ay medyo mas formal ang someone kaysa sa somebody. Let's now move on to our example sentences. Someone scratched my car. Someone scratched my car. Meaning, may gumasgas ng kotse ko. Somebody is ringing the doorbell. Somebody is ringing the doorbell. May nagdo-doorbell. Someone left a note on the fridge. Someone left a note on the fridge. May nag-iwan ng note sa ref. Someone is at the door. Someone is at the door. May tao sa pinto. Someone's waiting for you at the lobby. Someone's waiting for you at the lobby. May naghihintay sa iyo sa lobby. Find somebody else. Find somebody else. Maghanap ka ng iba or maghanap ka na lang ng iba. What if somebody sees you? What if somebody sees you? Paano kung may makakita sa'yo? Somebody left you a message. Somebody left you a message. May nag-iwan ng mensahe sa'yo. Somebody needs to clean up this mess. Somebody needs to clean up this mess. Kailangang merong maglinis sa mga kalat na to. Give it to somebody else. Give it to somebody else. Ibigay mo sa iba. I think someone is trying to break into our house. I think someone's trying to break into our house. Tingin ko, merong gustong pumasok sa bahay namin. I think someone is following me. I think someone is following me. Tingin ko, may sumusunod sa akin. Is there someone in the room with you? Is there someone in the room with you? May kasama ka ba dyan sa kwarto? If someone asks for me, tell them I'm busy. If someone asks for me, tell them I'm busy. Pag may naghanap sa akin, sabihin mo busy ako. I saw someone climbing the fence. I saw someone climbing the fence. May nakita akong umaakyat sa bakod. Somebody's honking their horn outside. Somebody's honking their horn outside. May bumubusina sa labas. I need somebody to watch my dog while I'm away. I need somebody to watch my dog while I'm away. Kailangan ko nang magbabantay sa aso ko habang wala ako. Somebody is smoking in the bathroom. Somebody is smoking in the bathroom. May naninigarilyo sa CR. Somebody is singing a song. Somebody is singing a song. May kumakanta. Somebody is watching TV in the living room. Somebody is watching TV in the living room. May nanonood ng TV sa sala. Somebody told me that the movie was good. Somebody told me that the movie was good. May nagsabi sa akin na maganda raw yung pelikula. Someone entered the room. Someone entered the room. May pumasok sa kwarto. Someone ate my sandwich. Someone ate my sandwich. May kumain ng tinapay ko. I think someone likes you. I think someone likes you. Tingin ko merong may gusto sa'yo. Someone saw you at the mall yesterday. Someone saw you at the mall yesterday. Merong nakakita sa'yo sa mall kahapon. Someone is mad at you. Someone is mad at you. May nagagalit sa'yo. Someone is going to get fired today. Someone is gonna get fired today. May masisisante ngayon. Someone is knocking on the door. Someone is knocking on the door. May kumakatok sa pinto. I heard someone whistle. I heard someone whistle. May narinig akong sumisipol. Somebody is calling me. Somebody's calling me. May tumatawag sa akin. Ask somebody else to help you. Ask somebody else to help you. Sa iba ka magpatulong or magpatulong ka na lang sa iba. What would you do if you saw somebody drowning? What would you do if you saw somebody drowning? Anong gagawin mo kapag may nakita kang nalulunod? I think somebody is listening in. I think somebody is listening in. Sa tingin ko may nakikinig. Somebody had parked in front of me, blocking me in. Somebody had parked in front of me, blocking me in. May pumarada sa harap ko, hinarangan ako. Somebody made a mistake. Somebody made a mistake. Merong nagkamali. If somebody hits me, I'd hit him back. If somebody hits me, I'd hit him back. Kapag may sumapak sa akin, sasapakin ko rin siya. This is somebody else's problem. This is somebody else's problem. Problema to ng iba. I know someone who speaks French very well. I know someone who speaks French very well. May kilala akong magaling mag-French. I want somebody I can trust. I want somebody I can trust. Gusto ko ng taong pwede kong pagkatiwalaan. Someone's coming. Someone's coming. May dumarating. Someone stole my phone. Someone stole my phone. May kumuha o may nagnakaw ng telepono ko. There's always somebody there. There's always somebody there. Laging may tao doon. This isn't my umbrella, it's somebody else's. This isn't my umbrella, it's somebody else's. Hindi ko payong to, iba ang may-ari nito. Ang word na somebody ay pwede ring gamitin para i-describe ang isang importanteng tao o yung taong may sinabi sa buhay. Halimbawa, I don't want to get stuck in this poor neighborhood. I want to be somebody. I don't want to get stuck in this poor neighborhood. I want to be somebody. Kahulugan, ayokong mabulok sa mahirap na lugar na to. Gusto kong maging may sinasabi sa buhay. He behaves as if he were somebody. He behaves as if he were somebody. Kung umasta siya, akala mo kung sino. You always blame somebody else. You always blame somebody else. Lagi kang naninisi ng iba. Are you looking for someone? Are you looking for someone? May hinahanap ka ba? There's somebody in there. There's somebody in there. May tao sa loob. He reminds me of someone. He reminds me of someone. May naaalala ako sa kanya. Somebody left the lights on. Somebody left the lights on. May nakaiwang bukas ang ilaw. Somebody stepped on my foot. Somebody stepped on my foot. May nakaapak sa paa ko. Somebody wants to talk to you. Somebody wants to talk to you. Merong gustong kumausap sa'yo.